Where to look for the right product online in affiliate marketing. When you are just starting your online business, finding the right products to sell online is the #1 problem. Knowing where to look can help. Dropshipper directories. Dropshippers are wholesalers that will ship direct to your customers so that you don't have to invest in or store inventory. Directories of dropshippers are for sale online, but make sure you're buying a reputable one. Local businesses. You may find businesses in your backyard that offer just the right products but are not yet into e-commerce. Offer to sell their product online in exchange for a percentage of any profits you make. Crafters. Local crafters are a good source of unique products and may be willing to reduce their prices for you if you purchase in quantity. Either buy the item outright or set up a consignment arrangement with them. Garage sales and flea markets. Garage sales are a good place to look for items to sell online. Do some research into categories that interest you and then start scouring sales for good prices. eBay itself can be a source for products. Look for wholesale lots that can be broken down for individual sale. Wholesaler directories. Your local library will probably have directories of manufacturers, wholesalers, and/or distributors. Most directories are organized by SIC code so that you can zero in on the product categories that interested you. Trade shows. Trade shows are a great way to source products. Lots of merchants gather in one place to look for resellers. To find trade shows in a particular industry, contact trade associations and industry publications. Importers, exporters. You might want to consider contacting companies that import goods from overseas. It's possible to source directly from overseas. This requires a lot of expertise, but many companies do it successfully.